Martha Hinga niarikitie ku address detona assumptions ona ginya allegations ikoretwo igithie na mbere nenda-ini ciĩgiĩ who is Martha Hinga, who is the person behind this account, na ni gukoretwo na miario ati it could be Kiengei behind this account. Na Martha Hinga niarikitie ku address this matter na akirekereria an official statement kugerera account yake ya Martha Hinga official, na akiuga ati wa mbere ni arenda gukora ki apologize to Kiengei for these ongoing allegations. Ona ginya akeana ngerekano ya some of the comments irikoretwo ikirekererio kuria nenda-ini. For instance, akiuga ati Kiengei, we know your handwriting. No Martha Hinga niarikitie Gûtheria na kuga ati Kiengei is not the owner of this account and neither is Kiengei, Martha Mwihaki Hinga, na akirekereria a very long post and statement akiaddress this matter once and for all, udokoretwo ugietererwo muno ni a Kenya aria ona othutha ucio maraikorirwo maigwa mohoko na kiuga ni wega Martha Hinga niaikorwo agitheria ndeto ici na gukorwo agitheria ritwa ria Kiengei and ridding him of these accusations and allegations. It has been going on for quite some time na it needed to be addressed, na niguo Martha Hinga agikorwo agika. That is what Martha Hinga has shared an official statement, akiuga my statement on Kiengei being Martha Hinga. In recent past, we have witnessed an upsurge of online rumors and hearsay linking Pastor Ben to my pages. The rumors have been so ridiculous that every time I post something, some people rush to the comment section with messages like, Kiengei, we know your handwriting. Nothing could be further from the truth. As I said, and will repeat once again, my pages are owned and operated by me alone, as mysterious as I have been all along. Let's stop dragging Bazoo to things he has nothing to do without. I think with such kind of rumors are so damaging that they can make Kiengei's close friends treat him with unnecessary suspicion and caution. There's nothing that hurts more than a false accusation. If at all Kiengei owns a page bearing details identical to mine, then it's not this one, Mwihaki Hinga or Martha Mwihaki Hinga, the only pages that I own. It's for that reason that I wish to take this opportunity to unequivocally offer my heartfelt apology to Pastor Ben Kiengei for the continued accusation that he's me and I am him. Such disinformation and accusations can only be disseminated by his ill wishers, determined to denigrate his persona and brand. Martha Hinga akiuga ati ni sorry muno kuri Kiengei for the long time that he has been accused and associated to be Martha Mwihaki Hinga, na akiuga account ici ciothe cia Martha Hinga, Mwihaki Hinga ona ginya iria Martha Mwihaki Hinga, none of them belong to Kiengei. Na ni post irakorire kirurumura akenya na mafans na njira nene muno makiruta maoni na comments citiganite. Aingi magikiuga ni metikia Kiengei is not the one, na angi magikionania doubts ciao, but all in all Martha Hinga niaraikorirwo akiaddress this matter na akiuga from him to Kiengei he apologizes, he or she apologizes to Kiengei, na akiuga Kiengei is not the person behind Martha Hinga, contrary to what people had been thinking and saying on social media. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.